So after leaving Todos Santos, we continued on Mexico 19 toward La Paz, where we would be staying for 3 nights. Jeannie sourced this Airbnb, so I knew it would be good. La Paz turns out to be a town on the Gulf of California, also known as Costa del Sol. Maybe it was the time of the year, or maybe this town is not a tourist destination, but I really didn't see more than a handful of gringos like us. Most were vacationing locals, I think.
So we're about 8 miles from La Paz. This is kind of what it looks like on the entry to it. Nothing special, but this is how you get in there.
Continue on Guillermo Prieto for 1 kilometer.
A lot of these stop signs, just for your general information, you can't even see. They're hidden by trees. Some of the lights are faded so badly that you can't even see if it's red or not. And stop signs are actually negotiable here. Or shall I say, stop signs are optional here. If you care to stop, you're welcome to. Most people don't. However, that said, we've seen it worse in Vietnam. And I believe we're almost here at our next Airbnb. As you can see, or might not see, there's the ocean straight ahead.
Stop sign.
You've arrived.
I think we arrived. Yeah, I think this is it here.
I'll just pull over here and then you make your phone call, right?
Yep. I think that's it right there, though. 'Cause there's the garage parking right there.
Okay. So we finally got to La Paz. And just want to show you that's our penthouse apartment right up there, both sides, which we'll go take a quick walk through now. This must be a private residence right here, but this is some type of condominium complex, and they do the Airbnb as part of the deal for people who owners, I guess the owners. Nice and safe, secure, quiet. Puerto Illusion Condominiums. Let's go take a look. Of course, you already know Jeannie sourced this, so it's going to be good. She's already up there. It's a little bit more humid here than it is in Cabo, to be perfectly honest. You know what? Before we do the room walkthrough,
Let me just take you up to the 5th floor. We're on the 4th floor. That's the top floor of living space. The pool area is up here. So just to give you a quick view of what's right above us. There's the pool right here. And all common space. Now, according to Anna, our host, she said that the real nice beaches are all the way down that way. Maybe we'll go check it out, maybe we won't, we're not sure. We're only here for 3 nights. We might extend out, we'll see. That's where I started this video. And also, I forgot the Spanish name for these birds. At any rate, she also said that all the restaurants and stores are on this road and this road going that way. And so everything is walking distance. So we probably won't need the car, which is parked downstairs in the garage. All right. She said we're welcome to use the gym. Doubt if I will, but nice place to play Uno or Yahtzee. Let's head down to the apartment.
Yeah, that's construction. They didn't tell us about that.
And there's my lovely wife, who once again sourced everything. Do you love it?
Very nice.
Except for the noise?
Hopefully that won't block the line.
So let's just do a quick look. Okay, laundry room. Yes, that's a Stu Leonard's bag. Guest bedroom. Too bad nobody took us up on our offer to visit. Full kitchen, and I mean full. Guest bedroom, bathroom. Well, this is pretty damn nice. Nice place to do editing. Nice couch area. And this balcony opens up from what we would call the family room, I guess, or sitting room. Little Samsung there. And here's the master bedroom, king size bed with a nice view. You know that guy. And here's the master bathroom. Very nice. Well appointed. And a nice walk-in shower. Let's go check the view. So from the bedroom, there's also a way out to this balcony. But we'll go out this way.
that's about it for the walkthrough. These birds, they just soar around. It's pretty cool. This does justice to what I'm seeing. Boy, these guys are like hang gliders.